Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Anynet Plus or HDMI CEC issues on your Samsung TV. Now the first thing I'm going to do is go to the menu and then scroll on down to System and then go to the right and just verify I have Anynet Plus and HDMI CEC turned on. So I can see it's turned on right here. And I'm not able to connect it to a device and control it with my remote. So what I want to do is actually go to the back of my TV and locate the power cord right here. Otherwise, go to where it's connected in the wall outlet or power strip and simply disconnect it and leave it unplugged for maybe 15 to 20 minutes. Or if it's still not working, try leaving it unplugged overnight for about 8 to 10 hours. So I was having a problem at my house and a thunderstorm knocked out the power, and I realized when the power reconnected, my Anynet Plus issues were all fixed and I was able to control the devices with my remote now. So go ahead and just try this out, leave it unplugged for about 15 to 20 minutes and plug it back in, and then also unplug it overnight. So if this video helped you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.